In this video, I will show you how to remove conditional formatting in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and select the cells where you want to remove the conditional formatting. This could be a single cell, a range, or even the entire sheet. Next, go to the top menu and click on Format, then choose Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Format Rules panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see all the rules that are currently applied to your selected cells. Each rule controls how the formatting behaves based on certain conditions, like highlighting values or changing colors. To remove a rule, simply click on it, then look for the trash bin icon. Click the delete icon, and that rule will be removed immediately. If you have multiple rules applied, you can delete them one by one until all conditional formatting is cleared. Another quick method is to select the cells, go to the Format menu, then click Clear Formatting. Keep in mind that this removes all formatting, not just conditional formatting, so use it carefully. Once the rules are removed, your cells will return to their normal appearance. Removing conditional formatting is helpful when you want to clean up your sheet, reset styles, or apply new rules without conflicts. So that's how to remove conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.